Good morning, guys. So in the last video we were in Alleppey and I said that we will be visiting one more place. So check this out. I am in Mangalore. So this area is called Surathkal. I am here at my cousin's place. We've stopped here for one day and we'll go out and explore some food joints where my uncle is going to take us. So yes, it's going to be an exciting day. Sadly we are there just for one day and in the evening we'll be heading back to Goa. Before we go out, let me show you this place. So it's a beautiful place. You get to see a lot of birds here. You can hear the birds chirping and that side there, yesterday when we were going out, we even saw a huge peacock sitting there. So I wish we can see them today. And just down this road here is where my mom and her family used to live many years ago. Unfortunately we don't have a place there anymore, but yes, it was a good good memories. When we were kids, we used to go to that place during our summer holidays. So yeah, it was a good experience to revisit those memories yesterday. And yes, we are excited to try the food here because there's something called goli bhaji, chicken sukka, fish, so many Mangalorean dishes that are famous. So we'll go out and let's see what we can find to eat. So it's around 11 a.m. and we are heading towards Surathkal, and I have to introduce you to my uncle. He's Josie uncle. He's the one who is taking us around. And there behind is Sia, and this one is Riona. They are my cousins. So we are going to go and have some goli bhaji. Goli bhaji and buns and many other things. Yesterday at uncle's place we had some some snacks and they are all right here. So we are interested in getting these because they were really tasty. Uncle has bought us here. So we will be getting some of this. This is sweet and this is like chakli if you've eaten that in India. And this shop has lots of things. So even this one we had, this is the garlic chuda, lots of things here. So uncle suggested that the stuff that you get here is very good and very fresh. Look at this. So yes, if you are in Mangalore, if you want something crunchy to eat, some snacks, it's all there right here. So yes, even banana chips are there here. Everything is there. This section here is the sweet section. I don't know what is good here, but yes, uncle has said that this shop is very good. This one here, Mysore Pak, this is for 110, and this is how many kg? Quarter kg. Okay. And besides that, we've even taken that there. I'll show you. Yeah, so we had this too as well. It was very good. And now they are packing this thing here. This is called the chuda. So we are taking this as well. Thing is, if you come here and if you want to taste something, they give you little to taste as well, and then you can decide whether you want or not. So yes, Adrian and myself came here for two things, but we've ended up taking so many things because the stuff here is very good, very fresh and crunchy. We have made it to our second stop, so we've come here to Hotel Kalyani, and these guys have a lot of stuff. Let me show you what they have. Our leader, uncle, he knows everything here. He's the guide. So look at this. So many things they have here. I don't even know the names of most of the things. Jackfruit. Karela, okay. And this?
This is cabbage vada.
Cabbage vada. This is chili. This is appe. Goli appa. Mei appa.
Samosa, vada pav, pav bhaji, masala dosa, tuppa, sada, plain, set dosa.
Okay.
Gobi chili, paneer chili, noodles.
Sweet potato.
Okay, and that is sweet potato. Came here for goli bhajia. Yeah, this one is almost getting ready, so we will take this also. Thank you. Look at this, we have everything here, different kinds. It's all deep fried, most of the things. So yeah, let's first try with all these here. I don't even know the name. Let me eat with my right hand. Uncle here is the expert, he will guide me. This one is jackfruit. Okay. So there is chutney here as well. coconut chutney. Take. So this one is little sweet and spicy also, and with the chutney here is going well. But yeah, it's a bit sweet. So in case if you like sweet bhajiyas, you will enjoy this. Okay. And this one is palak. Palak. This is palak. Yeah, this is very nice. What we are used to having in Bombay and Goa, palak bhajia, it's very good. And this is the chili. This one is jackfruit. Small jackfruit. Interesting. That one was good, but it tasted like more like potato, and this is the chili. Yeah. So most of the things are very nice. You can come here, sit and eat, but it's a bit warm here, so you have to plan accordingly. But yes, look at this. We all have taken everything mixed. So yeah, he's bought it here. See, it's this one. Yeah, this one is this one here. Thank you. Nice. And here is the medu vada, samosa, and appe. Uncle made very good appe in the morning for breakfast at home. That was very good. This one looks little oily. This also is appe? Okay. Sweet appe. Okay, let me take a piece of this. Will not be able to eat the entire thing. This also with chutney. Yeah, it's good. But it's sweet. But I enjoyed uncle's appe in the morning. He made it very well. Breakfast, yeah, for breakfast. And look at this. From here we will go somewhere else. And Riona will be arranging the ideal ice cream for us, right? So she said Malai and which flavor? Kulfi.
That is the container. You want the glass or how?
Ah, okay. So we'll go there and find. She said the Malai flavor is the container. We'll go there and check. And we still have to try this one. Medu vada, yeah. This one in Kerala we had a lot of this. Yeah. Yeah. And what is this? Karela. I missed this one. This is good also. Medu vada is not like as good as the ones we had in Kerala. This one is little soft. I think when you mix it fresh, that will be good that time. And that is samosa. We've already had that in so many places. But this Karela bhajia is quite good as well.
Which is your favorite?
Samosa?
And yours? I like
Palak. So Riona's favorite is palak, Priya's favorite is samosa. And uncle? Goli bhajia. Goli bhajia. We are waiting for goli bhajia. We came here for goli bhajia. We eat everything but goli bhajia, but we are waiting now. So we have our first dish here. This is called the ghee roast. So this is chicken ghee roast. Obviously, I'll take a small piece here because we've also ordered for the kori roti and chicken sukka. Yeah. So yes, he's bought just one. Now he'll get the rest. So we don't want it to get cold. That's why we've already started eating. Look at this. So yes, it has bones. My first time trying this in Mangalore. It's nice, spicy, and you can even taste the curry leaves and the ghee, everything with the masala is roasted, so you're getting that very good flavors from the, I'm guessing they fry this on the pan and everything with the masala and then make it. So it tastes very nice. So far, very good start. Everybody is enjoying. But yeah, He just got one. We have still some more items to do. Are you happy? Here we have the other item that we came for. So this is chicken sukka, this is kori roti. So kori is the chicken curry and roti is this crispy thing. So yes, it's time to try this. First of all, let me just get this. So we have to get this on the plate and crush it very well. I am not the expert. Experts are here. So yeah, I am just watching Riona how she is doing it. Yeah. Don't do what Adrian has done. She put the gravy first. This is the wrong way. But yes, we will put this here. And now let's have the gravy. I will use Adrian's spoon. No, sorry. Let's take another spoon. So yes, the gravy looks good. It has lots of chicken pieces also. So I'll just take one chicken piece here and pour in all the gravy. So you have to make sure that the gravy is absorbed by the roti here. Okay, that's good enough for me. And let's get one more fork and have the the chicken sukka. So this chicken sukka we make it at home as well. It's with the nice coconut and masala gravy mixed very well. So yes, this one has to be mashed properly and mixed and had. So in most of the places in South India you will see that the curry leaves are there in almost all the items. Gravy is also made very well. So we are really enjoying the food. Thanks to uncle and his friend. They have recommended the place to us. So yes, very nice. It's up to you, like if you want it crispy you should have it fast or wait for it to soak. But I like it crispy and with the gravy. And now let's try the chicken sukka. Okay, now let's try this. Very good. Too good. The chicken sukka is excellent. So yes, we are very happy to find such places, because if you watch most of the reels and videos of Mangalore, you will not find these places. We got to know literally about this place in the morning. We skipped Machli and so many places, right?
Yeah.
We had made a list. But yes, uncle and his friends have given us names of such good places, and all of us are enjoying the food. Right? Riona is digging something in the food, we don't know. But yes, I am assuming she enjoyed it as well. And yes, here Adrian's plate is empty. Number one in the list. So yeah, very good experience. We have lunch at home as well, so we'll take most of this parcel. And uncle made some very good pork gravy yesterday. We really enjoyed eating that, so we're going to eat that as well at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Next we are going to get some ice cream. Ideal ice cream, yeah. So we'll go find a place and get some Ideal ice cream. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching till the end.